The SECUPRO 625 from MARTOR is a particularly high-quality and versatile safety knife, also ideal for the toughest missions. To cut, unlock and squeeze the lever. The blade retracts fully automatically, even when you keep the lever squeezed. The ergonomic handle is suitable for both right and left-handers. Hand and arm forming a straight line. When finished, always lock. Then unlock again to cut. For example, plastic strapping band at an angle of 45 degrees, or any type of film. When finished, lock. To remove the lid, position the knife at the top of the closed cardboard box. And, very important, never cut directly towards you. The blade retracts as soon as it loses contact with the material being cut. Keep the lever squeezed. Important, never put your free hand on the cutting path. To remove the flap, apply at the turned up flap and cut through. As before, never cut directly towards you. For window cuts, pierce the cardboard and cut an opening. Use your thumb to increase pressure. Here too, for tougher material, increase the pressure using your thumb. If necessary, you can also change hands. For power cutting, use both hands. You can turn the blade of the SECUPRO 625. First, unlock and open the blade change button. To lock the lever, push forward the safety device. The transparent blade cover faces upwards. Turn the blade around and reinsert. Important, do not touch the cutting edge. Always touch the blade at the blunt side. When inserting the blade, place exactly on the location lobe. Unlock and gently release the lever. Close the blade change button and test once by squeezing the lever. When both cutting edges have been used, replace the blade. To do this, open the blade change button and lock the lever. Remove the used blade and dispose of instantly. Only use MARTOR blades. Place exactly on the location lobe and unlock. But be careful, do not let the lever jump. Gently release the lever. Close the blade change button and test once. Before cleaning the knife, remove the blade and place down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. reinsert the blade. Close the button, test, and locked back into the belt holster. Use our other media as well, for example, our safety poster, and follow the instructions in the user manual.